Next stock, Power Grid. Ever since we posted our NTPC video, there were contradictory comments that Power Grid is better than NTPC. Obviously, we didn't choose NTPC because NTPC was the great stock. It was the request by viewers in the channel that they wanted NTPC because so many people had invested in NTPC and they were bleeding. So due to that only we did NTPC. So just because we did NTPC doesn't mean we have taken a leader and put there. Compared to NTPC, Power Grid is a better stock because margins of Power Grid is better than NTPC. So earnings rank is 48.3. In spite of that, though there is good margins, there are about 51% of companies in India that is better than Power Grid in profit making. So obviously, if suppose we want to make money from our investment, Power Grid is not the stock. Price rank is 31.4. You can see the interest this stock has in the market. And this 31.4 interest is coming from where? Retail. Professionals will not buy this stock unless there is a reason to buy this stock. It's because of dividend. It has 6% dividend yield, very attractive. And why this is attractive is this company has a lot of projects lined up for expansion. While there are some challenges also, DISCOMs have huge dues to power producers. They are asking the government, saying that power costs are very high. They have to reduce it. So obviously, both power distributor and power manufacturers owned by the government. Government will make a choice to reduce the cost of power to DISCOMs, so that DISCOMs also are fairly easy to make some profits. As of now, they are bleeding. So once that happens, obviously all the expansion that they do will result in same kind of dividend or maybe 1% lesser dividend also. At this price, wherever the stock is now, it is very attractive because the whole market is corrected. If somebody wants to buy this stock for retirement purpose, buy it. Otherwise, for trading, maybe for investment, no. Flat sales and profit. For a very long time, there is no improvement in sales or nor the profit. They are stagnant, maintaining the same level. Looks like it will also continue to the same level because power consumption is not going to go down. So these are established businesses where entry barriers are very high. We talked about this in NTPC video. Entry barrier for 1 megawatt of power, we require around 5 crores to set up. So that is huge. So obviously, entry barrier is very high. So competition is going to be little challenging. MFs are loading the stock because, say again, there is a large cap exposure which needs to be there in some funds like multi cap, large cap, and this is the index stock, and they want those stocks to be in a safe zone so that it is not taking a hit and also gives them some returns. So 5-6% dividend yield is very good for mutual funds. That is why they are loading that. Retail participation is not yet there. They are waiting on sidelines to get in. Don't know when they will get in. As of today, I think I've already posted there is a reversal that's come in Power Grid on the daily trades. Below 153 on close, it will become very strong. That was, if it has to get very strong, the stock has to close below 153 or give a reversal or a breakout. That reversal is already happened today. How long it will sustain, we don't know. But as of now, reversal has happened. It might go for some time, then come down, go to 153, form a base, and again go up. That can also happen. So if somebody wants to buy Power Grid for income purpose alone, just for dividend for long term, yes, you can go ahead and buy. It can be a very small portion. Don't buy like 5-6% or all, maybe 1%, 2% of the portfolio, so that you are not worried about the price fluctuations, and dividend will be coming regularly. For investment, please stay away. It will take time unless you have champions. For trading, yes, that will give fantastic trades will be there because it's an index stock. There will be high liquidity. If suppose you have the funds to play futures, fantastic returns will be there. Recently, there was a short trade which just, I think it's closed today with beautiful gains. So for Power Grid, it is a retirement corpus stock, very long term. Investment, no. Trading, yes. Make your judgment. This is our thoughts and ideas. Make your judgment and decision before buying. Look for stop losses where you are going to exit if suppose the stock is not going in your direction. If it is going in your direction, if it has to go in your direction, where you have to exit. Please plan this before taking a position. Don't take a position thinking that I will see what will happen. No. if you come to that mode, you will see your money depleting. That is the only thing that is for sure that will happen. So our thoughts, power grid is a very, very long term asset.